This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make muffins with self-raising flour, easy method. Preheat your oven and prepare a muffin tin with liners or grease. Measure dry and wet ingredients separately, then fold wet into dry with a few gentle strokes until combined. Scoop batter into cups 2/3 full, top with mix-ins if desired, and bake until a toothpick comes out clean for consistent, golden muffins. Start by assembling your ingredients and preheating the oven so everything is ready. Use precise measurements to maintain batter balance and a consistent rise from the self-raising flour. Keep sugar and salt amounts moderate to enhance flavor without overpowering. When adding fruit or chocolate, toss them lightly in flour to help them suspend in the batter. Fill your muffin cups properly and check timing closely for bake with attention to time and temperature to hit that tender, golden balance. If you see rapid browning, lower the heat slightly and extend time to finish cooking inside. Use a toothpick or cake tester to confirm doneness without opening the oven too often. Once out, cool in the tin for a few minutes, then transfer to a rack so air circulates and prevents moisture buildup under the muffins.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.